Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video, we were watching that Bitcoin broke down the support of the triangle on the hourly time frame chart. Now on the daily time frame chart, the situation is getting more critical because it is breaking down the support of the rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher move, and we are moving down again in this potential reversal zone. And by the way, I shared this pattern on 23rd of January with my members at the Patreon, and I told them that after the formation of this Cypher, we can expect a reversal move between $46,339 and goes to $57,167. And the potential reversal zone is from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. This support is very important because here we have very close to this this potential reversal zone. We have a very strong support of $28,600 as well, and I will show you that support as well. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well up to $48,189, and now it is moving down very close to this potential reversal zone once again. And during this move, we have broken out this down channel, and we formed this rising wedge pattern. We had a nice zigzag move between the resistance and support, but right now we are breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern. But so far there is no closing on the daily time frame below this support, because previously we had a very long spike here, but you can see that the price line was recovered. So it is possible that it can be recovered, but at this time the difference is very big. Like the support was here approximately at 39,000, exactly at $39,000, and we are moving right now at $38,200. And this was a support that I was telling you is very critical. That is at $39,500, the price level support. And now, after breaking down this support, and moreover, if we will have the closing on the daily time frame below this support, then there is a very high probability that we are going to test the next support of $33,000. The exact support is at $32,950, and from here up till $28,600 we have a very strong support zone. You can see that whenever the price line is entering in this level from $33,000 to $28,600, it is nicely getting bounced, and we are only having some spikes in this area. You can see here it also has happened back in January 2021 as well, and we had a nice rally again happen here from May to July 2021. We had a very big rally, and again we had we just touched this level here before this breakout from this down channel, and we had another nice rally, and right now we are moving toward that support. So far the difference is very big, from $38,400 to $33,000, but if the price line goes there, that can be a very nice buy the dip opportunity for Bitcoin once again. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart from here, then we are moving inside this up channel, and the support of this channel will be approximately at $35,000. That can be also another very critical support, and it is possible that the price line may test this support and will not test this $33,000, and we will have a price reversal from this after testing this $35,000. In that situation, that can be also a double bottom formation as well, because we have already touched this support, and it has also happened here as well. After testing the support, we had a nice rally, and once again we can have another nice rally. So today's closing is very important. If we will have closing below this support, and there is a very high probability that we will have that closing, then we may test this support, or before that we will test the support of the rising channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care, goodbye.